Hello?
Carl, it's me, Ken. The Leone family has made their move. Salvatore's here. Now, he's taken over Caligula's. We're screwed. It's war for control of Venturis, man. War! War! There's word of some triad visitors, something that should keep them busy. I'm calling from the bathroom. I gotta go. I really gotta go.
Yes, I love that.
Have you ever been to Europe?
Yes, it helps me to sleep at night.
Marcus of Queensberry rules only, baby.
Top fucking buzz this! I'm peaking on the blood pressure alone!
Yeah, terrific.
Well, well, well. What do we got here?
Here's your sandwich.
Who's this pretty thing?
I don't usually do this kind of shit, you know.
I like this girl. What's your name, kid?
Maria. And the service is not included.
Hey, the woman, you fat fuck!
You heard the bird.
Come on. Are you kidding me? See you later, guys.
And who's this asshole?
The name's Carl Johnson, sir. Before working with Mr. Rosenberg here, I had the pleasure of doing business with your son, Joey, back in Liberty City.
You know my Joey? I like that. So, kid, what can I do for you?
Well, Ken, vouch for me, I'm a straight killer.
Oh, one-man fucking army. A real dependable. Total fucking maniac, too.
You know the Forellis are sending over a crew to hit me. Their flight gets in soon. Traveling as a string quartet. I was gonna send some of the boys over as a little welcoming committee. But, maybe you can take care of it.
Thank you, sir. I guarantee you, you won't regret this.
Maybe I should go...
You stay where you are, Rosenberg. I don't want you getting yourself lost.
Hey, what's going on? Shit! How the fuck did he get in here?
Who cares? Waste them!
I ain't going down without a fight.
You want that face left alone?
Come on in, but don't get fresh.
See you later.
I'm a veterano, ese no joke. Look at those nalgas, Holmes.
You get that dossier?
Yeah, I got the files. What you want me to do with them?
Well, we need to meet up someplace quiet and take care of things. There's a ghost town, Las Brujas, in the Devil's Castle. You know it?
Yeah, I'll find it.
I know you will. I'll see you there. Carl.
Mija, you're looking bien firme.
Let's go clothes shopping sometime, sexy.
I'm losing my will to live here. Please go away.
Don't say shit when I sock you.
Hello, I'm a king.
Hello?
Hey there, you.
I love this weather.
I've got hearts to break. Excuse me.
Doom, dun, 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 dun.
¿Qué traes esa?
How's it hanging?
Maraca's acting like a carucho.
Same old, same old.
Nice ink.
Hey, can you do me a favor? Go away.
I know it's you, you stinking perro.
Look, just say what you gotta say. I ain't interested in a stupid game.
Stupid games? This is my heart you play with.
What? Look, you... Damn! Gotta change my number.